Hello everyone, my name is Bree and welcome to Documented Journey. So let's just start with the fact that yes, I am still sick. I'm trying to get over it, but we're just going to power through. Today's word for Create December is eating, and I went ahead and drew a spread all about banana bread. This is something that I make for my family every other week or so. We really enjoy it, so it's fun to make with the kids, and I like eating it, so that's why I make it. But this is all the ingredients that I normally use to make it, and I thought it would be really cool to put it together almost like a documented life spread. So, to save my voice and possibly everyone else's ears, if you don't like listening to a hoarse voice, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with some music. And you guys just continue to watch me draw and paint. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.